Welcome all to our channel GTech Fluent. Our today's topic number 9 in Angular 11 video tutorial series is data binding into the Angular. So before starting with the video, I hope everyone is fine. So I would recommend you please stay at home and stay safe. Take care of your family and follow the guidelines issued by the government. And most important, keep learning and the growing. So let's start with the video. So in web development requires the data synchronization between the models and the view. The models basically contains the data value where view deal with the what user want to see or display. So in this video, we will discuss that into the details. We will see what is meant by the data binding, why do we need or why we require the data binding, and what are the types of the data binding. So let's start and first we see what is meant by the data binding. So data binding is a mechanism that binds the application UI or user interface to the models. So using data binding, the user will able to manipulate the elements to present on the website using the browser. So whenever some variable has changed, that particular change must be reflected into the DOM, or you can say the document object model. So in Angular, data bindings define the interaction between the components and the DOM. The data binding is a part of all Angular versions starting from the Angular JS to the latest version of the Angular. So in Angular, data binding means binds the data or the component with the view. So it's a HTML content. So whenever we want to display dynamic data to the view from the component, then you need to use the concept called data binding. Now let's see why we require or why do we need the data binding. So whenever you want to develop any data driven application or web application, then as a developer, we need to keep the focus on the two important things, that is the data and the user interface. And it's a more important that you find the efficient way to bind the data to the UI or together. Again, data can be having the several chunks and that you need to update dynamically, and that is the real time information to the user. So nowadays most important front end development using the JavaScript framework like Angular, which does lot of this work us, and this framework takes the responsibility to synchronization the data between the user interface. So now let's see what are the different type of the data binding we have. So Angular provides the two types of the data binding, that is one-way data binding and two-way data binding. One-way data binding is a simple type of the data binding where you allow to manipulate the view through the model. That means making the changes into the TypeScript code will reflect into the corresponding particular HTML. So in one-way data binding, data flows only in one direction, that is from models to the view. So in Angular, we have a one-way data binding with the from component to view. So like it's include the string interpolation, property binding, class binding, style binding, and the attribute binding. And another type from view to component. So that is event binding. So these are the two types of the into the one-way data binding. So we will discuss this into the detail in our upcoming videos. In two-way data binding, it allows your application share data into the two direction. That is from component to template, or you can say the view, and from view to component. In one-way data binding, there is only one direction. This makes sure that model and the view present into your application and always have the synchronization between the data. Two-way data binding will perform two things. First, setting up the element of the property and listening the element that changing particular event. So whatever you are binding to the particular property and what are the events happening with your application. That means change from the view can also change into the model. Similarly, change into the model can be changed into the view. This is the general overview of the data binding. So in our upcoming video, we will discuss this type into the details. So please let us know if anyone has any query or doubt. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.